Dear friends, family of Vidya, very, very warm welcome to all of you on this August occasion. To Vidya Balan, as we confer today the honorary degree of Doctor of Arts, to Vidya, who has given a new stature to women-oriented cinema and to the creative arts at large. I would like to share some thoughts with all of you here, because all of you have something to do with education. In everyone's family, you have a son, a daughter, a sister, a brother going to school or to college. So I believe that all of you will be a very interested and involved audience in what I hope the role of universities should be like. And he said, the role of the universities should be to assess and anticipate in advance the various kinds of gaps and needs that exist in our society and take steps to address them through a variety of measures. Described thus, universities indeed have a huge leadership role to play, especially towards changing hearts and shaping mindsets. Rai University recognizes that, and that is why we are committed A, to the spirit of innovation among our youth, and B, to the cause of inclusion of the underprivileged in every sphere of life. Through our massive scholarships program, we provide completely free education to underprivileged and orphan girls. Today, we will launch one more scholarship as the Vidya Balan University Scholarship for completely free education for a girl every year. We further mainstream these underprivileged girls into the global environment through the many initiatives of the All Ladies League, the world's largest network of women from all spheres of life. We also believe in nurturing in our youth a capacity for innovation. But we have seen through the years and through our experience that we can only nurture this capacity for innovation when we will resolve in our hearts and minds that artificial divide between the so-called arts and the so-called sciences. We all need to get rid of the feeling that science of culture, of economics, and of course of creativity and the various forms of artistic expression, including the cinematic arts that we are honoring starting today and which involve a huge amount of rigor as they integrate the very best of life, arts, and technology. The lesson then for all of us is as follows. As a society, as parents, as teachers, as institutions, as policymakers, as schools and as universities, we need to all collectively come together in the awareness that the sciences and the arts are all part of the same knowledge continuum, that they are two sides of the same coin, and only by bringing them together can we unleash their full powers for the benefit of all society. Only then can we inspire the fullness. Now begin with the conferment ceremony. An exceptionally talented actress and a torchbearer for women across the world, you are a path breaker and change maker in both cinema and society. With your undaunted persona and passion to deliver with a distinct approach, you have created new facets for feminism in Indian cinema. Your depictions has won you accolades from world over. You have led the change for perspectives around womanhood in society through your ardor for films and penchant for real-life inspired characters.
You are an epitome of feminine power, and your powerful performances have carved a distinct place for female characters and given stature to women simply creating